I hit the wrong button. I was trying to tell you, you see a tube like this, which is all broken up and cracked and everything. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty sad. Leave them a note. Little things like that, you know, you call it ass kissing or whatever, even though I don't kiss ass. I usually kick ass, because I'm a boxer. Little things like that, they appreciate. This guy's a tube is ugly, it's cracked. I mean, it's terrible. I left him a note last week. As soon as the store can accommodate my wishes, I'm going to put a new tube in here for him, and he'll appreciate that. You know, it looks nice, brand new and everything. Yeah, right now it's edgy looking. Plus, it'll leak when it rains and your paper's not protected, right? So yeah, there's it. As we're driving, these tips come into my head, and this is what I like about the job training part. And it kind of slows me down to teach you guys this, but that's okay. I'm that good, and I'm all that, and a bag of Cheetos. No one's gonna mess with old Weddle. Keep him going. Not even the customers. So, yeah, clean your car out. These are the major. Always be folding papers. Like right now, I have to stop because I'm not caught up. I should be up 20 or 30 of these papers, and I'm every house. So I'm gonna get caught up here real soon because I'm gonna stop talking to you guys and rock and roll. Okay, so with that, let's see. I should give you one more good tip. What should I do? Okay, always look at your updates when you pick your papers up from wherever they get dropped off, whether you're a bundle runner or not. Bundle runner means what I do. I pick up the papers, drop it off for other carriers. Okay, your updates. First thing you do is look at your updates. Okay, updates tell you who to stop, who to start, right? Also, where to throw it. Sometimes if you're not doing the right thing, the complaints are on there. Find out what the complaint was. Every complaint I've ever had, I rip out the update. Now, this is a good thing to do. I take the update, right? Now, listen carefully. I take the update, and where it says complaint, I circle it so they see it's them complaining, and I throw it right in the newspaper and I put a comment. Sorry, this won't happen again, so that they can see, oh shit, this. They actually type out the complaint and show them and let them think that, you know, they put a black mark against you, which in a way they kind of did, right? But they'll feel guilty, and guess what? Here come more tips, okay? I can tell you, more manipulative ways to get it. And if you're a good carrier, you're going to get tips anyway. You deserve tips, okay? That's how you make money. They certainly don't pay us enough to get rich in this job or any paper job. It's not just my company, it's everyone. They got overhead. But you can make it happen. To me, I have 150 chances to make money, okay? All right? Because that's what, you know, you're going to get 10 to 20 that don't like you, period, no matter what you do. You're going to get another 10 to 20 that are mochas that even if you do a great job, they're never going to tip you, whether they're on budget or they're just a cheap mofo. All right, but that still leaves 100, 80 to 100 chances, and that's the numbers. Liars figure, but figures never lie. And, you know, a man once told me, hey, because I sold Toyotas for 20 years, top 50 in the United States, thank you very much, out of 50,000. He said, don't make a lot of money on a few people. I go, why not? You know, make a couple pounders, I'm thinking, right? He goes, make a little money on a lot of people. And if you think about it, whenever there was fires or heat or customers pissed off, a happy customer will tell 10 or 12 people, right? An unhappy customer will tell 50 to 100. Remember that. A little business tip for you salespeople. There's 3 kinds of salesmen no matter what you sell in this world. Your salesmen that make things happen, salesmen that watch things happen, and salesmen that wonder what the fuck happened. Which one are you? With that, I'll say so long till the next time. Arturo Guzman signing off. Have a great day. Oh, what do you call a Chinese person that's mentally retarded? Well, what's the saying? And I'm not prejudiced. I hate everybody the same. So don't be offended for you zipper heads that are listening. What do they call, Asian people, what do they call a retarded Chinese person? What's the saying? Something Wong. Something Wong, get it?